Okay, I'm gonna give you a tour of my room. Hey, this is my bed. This is actually my TV. Yeah. And my posters. Okay. And my laptop. I am on webcams right now. So yeah. Random stuff. Okay. That's where I keep my Build-A-Bears. Clothing rack, and yeah. This is actually a bed I made for one of my webkins because I just love her so much. Okay. Oh, and this is actually my webkins. These are my webkins. I only have 2 webkin snakes. These tails. Yeah, okay. This is my guitar. And that's actually my scooter and my just stuffed animals. Yeah. Okay. Build-A-Bears. So yeah. Bye.